Today's game is a super fun balance challenge. I picked up these paper towel holders from the dollar store, and then we each have a set of 6 rings. These happen to be diving rings, but you can use whatever you want. The object is simple. The first person to get all 6 of them to balance on top of the paper towel holder is the winner. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, on your mark. Get set, go! Trying to do all of them at once, that would be pretty complicated.
Okay,
I'm gonna start with a couple at once.
Ooh, I know the perfect
I got
idea.
one.
I know
Maybe.
the perfect idea.
Ah! You know the perfect idea?
Yes. This has gotta work. This has gotta work.
Oh, you're assembling them down below.
Come here. Come here. Oh, that will work.
Ooh, there we go. Ah!
Yeah.
So close. Got the start. Now I've just got to keep it balanced. 4.
Why?
5. Oh, please say no. I'm borrowing one of your other ones.
Sorry.
Ah! So close. I was so close.
Need this to go like this.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's cool. It's moving.
That is really cool, huh? Oh.
Oh my. Oh, wait. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, I have it. I know.
Yeah,
I know
good
how
job.
to do it. Oh my. Yes.
Oh, this is gonna be tight. We both have a good start.
Done.
Mine fell too. That was so close. All right, let's race again.
Okay, let's go. Oh, that's awesome.
That is really awesome. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna win.
Nope, I think I'm gonna win. Nope, it's gonna be
3,
me.
2, 1.
It's gonna be me. Ah! Again. We keep getting so close. Who's it gonna be? Comment down below who you think is gonna win as we keep playing. Ooh, you got him started off of it. You got quite the head start.
Okay, I'm good.
Oh no.
Okay, good thing this didn't fall apart.
Ah!
Good thing this didn't fall. Oh, I get it.
That is tricky. That's really impressive,
No,
Grant.
I know.
I actually am kind of afraid that you may win off of that. That was good.
3, 2, 1.
You totally are the winner.
Yes.
Good job.
Buddy angel.
That was such a smart idea.
That actually looks
love
like
it.
an angel.
It does look like an angel, just like
This
you.
is the wings.
Yep. Good job, dude. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye. I know I can do this. This is so hard. Okay. Stay. I'm gonna do it like this, and you don't fall, and I'll keep you like this, and I'll do this, and then you'll be like, oh.